Alright folks, TFU and Mike here from the GeekCast radio network. It's time for more Tucker's Snack Attack. Here we go.
Ready?
No, I'm never ready. And I'll turn that up just a little, I guess. Steve.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Holy crap! I have the power!
Like you right in your groundhog head, Steve.
Sup, ladies?
There we go. Haha.
Who has some chimkin?
We're going to do 1338 and 1339 in this video, just to let you know, folks. And I don't remember, it's only been a minute since I started recording this, almost 2 minutes, but hope everyone's doing well. And that's why. Mud at 1340. So...
Are you ready?
Ooh, bombs. Yay, bombs.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Excuse me. Sorry, folks. I just woke up, so...
Sup, ladies?
Trying to shake off all the cobwebs. And I've got some... podcast editing I have to do later today, so...
Sup, ladies?
Wait,
Sup, ladies?
well, I didn't get it, but it kind of sort of got it. You've got to move it. Thanks, ReagentV. You know what you did.
Here we go. Boop.
No, I didn't want to do the... Anyway.
Sup, ladies? You're amazing, friend. You're amazing, friend.
Ah, there we go. Alrighty, folks. There we go. 1338 and 1339 in under 5 minutes. Yay! I will catch you in 1340 with Spread in the Mud. Oh boy, I think I just wasted my Spread in the Mud voice. See you next time, folks.